surprisingly fresh today, not rough after last night's party. Good crack. So I'm just heading out for a wee spin on my own, and we're heading down. The guys are heading over there, but I was there yesterday. No, it's the day before, and I'm going to head down here. Ferry said it's really nice. So there's a couple of Irish guys on the campsite, and they were telling us the land you can see way on the horizon is Ireland. I didn't realise you're that, well, when you look at the map it's pretty obvious, but you don't realise you're that close to Ireland. I'm going to see if we get to the lighthouse. That's what Tim was on about. Lighthouses on an island. Can't get out there. And this is like the west part of the island, and it's way more sort of rural. Typical Backroads. The other one, I guess, is the main towns, Bowmore and Port Ellen. Fucking straight motorway road to it. Look at this wee twisty thing. Yeah, Isla's really good. All sorts of different roads and stuff to ride, loads of different scenery. It's quality. And that view over at Jura, that's stunning. Yeah, it's much more than just a bunch of distilleries. And Jura was cracking. We've been pretty lucky with the weather, but yeah, I definitely recommend it. I think this might be Port Charlotte we're coming into. It is. Bird's bike's broken, maybe intermittently.
It got back from there to here. Okay, and it died as it came in.
Who do you blame? Previous owner? Will we move so you can fit in?
No, it's okay, I'm just sitting on the floor.
I'm still recording.
Huh? Here's Bird. Fed by Ferg.
I was having a good time. I was flying down the road, overtaking everything.
He was. Overtook 2 cars. I didn't even see the second overtake you so fast.
Did you notice we got the bridge in like 10 minutes and coming back within an hour?
You're not doing anything.
What do you want me to do?
Something for my subscribers.
Something for my subscribers.
Let's do an advert for Far North Fencing.
Come to Far North Fencing. I will not do your fence because I'm too busy.
Maybe Rour's fuel pump. Plan, Rour, or you just really take it for a spin and see how you go?
Yeah, maybe.
Hi everybody, how are you all doing? Are you having a nice time? I hope you enjoy your viewing time.
See, look, they're all running away to hide in the shelter there. Got a tarp. What's it like up there?
It's a wee bit dry at the edge, but we can just sit inside in the warm.
It's warm out here. I'm roasting.
Why did you come over here, Michael?
Ferg's taken me, Ruard and Mikey to see Finlaggan's something or other. I can't actually remember what it was called. Whoa! Slippy as anything. I think Ruard's bike's broken down again. Is it fucked? Not good. Isn't fixed. It seems to have an intermittent fuel problem. I think it's the fuel pump's not working properly, so it's not very good at all. We might have to, I don't know, we might have to try and figure out a way to get them up to the ferry tomorrow morning if they can't fix it. I think Fergus has fabricated the location of this place. So Fergus is to the junction, and then a mile is now 5 miles. I don't think Fergus knows where he's going. And check it out, Jura's phenomenal. Here we are, so it's a Finlaggan it's called. And it's something to do with the guy that was King of the Isles. So what's the crack, Ferg? What is this place?
So we're at Finlaggan, which is basically where the Lord of the Isles used to rule a big massive part of Scotland. This is where he hung it, this is where his stronghold was. So there's loads of crannigs, which are like kind of like rocks on the water, man-made islands that were really easy to defend, and then they've also got cool little causeways that like sort of pass under the water that you can get through, and again easy to defend. So we're going to go and have a look at what's left. They are about what? I'm not even sure what age.
There's about to be a little board down there.
Oh yeah, we'll have better room.
Let's go. Check out the lilies. Is that where they are? What are the plants that sit on top of the water called, Ferg?
Which one's lilies?
They are lilies, eh? Lily pads. The large island was home of the MacDonalds, Lord of the Isles, during the Middle Ages. Until the 14th century, access to the island was by stone causeway some 80 metres long, and it remains can still be traced to the water. The island was protected by a timber palisade with a wooden walkway or gallery supported on the turf dyke behind you, which is there. In front of you is an area cultivated during the 1500s. The path crosses rigs or lazy beds separated by drainage ditches. The rest of the island is covered with the ruins of houses, many built on top of each other, dating in the 13th and 16th century. So these MFs. So that's a chapel. Found graves and stuff in it. You can get in it, look, let's have a look. These are seriously old. Look at all the, you see it, the carvings. So that's like a farm building, but this bit here was the big main hall. So that thing there was the council island. That had a rock on it, and that's where they'd go. So there's another causeway out there to it. If you can see it still, you can. The stone. And that's where they made all their political decisions. So that was Finlaggan. I'm so glad I went along, it was quite good. Very informative. And culturally significant. That's cool though. When you look back at the day, what happened, you think, it must have been some time to be alive. Crazy folk. They were all mental. Right, back to the campsite. Figure out what we're doing for food. Maybe have a cider. I've spent an absolute fortune on this trip. Too much in the pub. So while we were away at Finlaggan, Ruard and Mikey have successfully fixed Ruard's bike, we think.
We don't know that. We haven't done a test ride, so it could be.
Where's the old filter?
It's in the. Yeah, it's inside the fridge.
Essentially, the old filter looked like it was all fucked up. Happy Ruard? Confident?
One thing I could maybe say is, Tim, you've got 7 12mm sockets here and only one 10mm. It took quite a while to find a 10mm.
That's excessive.
Like a bucket.
What a day, it's beautiful. So we're heading to Port Ellen now to get the ferry back to the mainland. Ruard's just in front of this truck, so we're hoping that his bike doesn't die. That's Bowmore Church. Apparently it's round, so there's no corners for the devil to hide in. Mental. Check out though, it's cool. There's Ruard. Yes. Okay. Ah, this isn't good. It's going very slowly. Well, Ruard's running. I'll run behind him with the hazards on. This is a start like a 10-mile straight, so it should be relatively easy to tow him. Plus there's an airport down here, so hopefully we can get a rope if needs be. Well, I'll let you know how we get on. We'll get to Port Ellen, and if anything major happens, we'll get it sorted. It's not that far to go now. We've got ages, it's 10 o'clock. We don't have to be at the ferry till like back at 12. We made it. Ruard is at Port Ellen. He's coming in. Hello!
Hello! How's things?
We're all good now, we made it.
Tried it.
Yeah. It's a bit grim weather-wise. So Ruard has a plan to check the relays over there and then limp home. We'll see what happens. Probably to wait.
He's the man. Don't know.
I'm off.
Yes?
We'll catch you later on.
Okay.
Oh,
Man, it was
very
great.
good. Tim, it's been good. Cuddle Michael Banchard while he's down there. Good luck, Ruard.
Thanks for coming. Who organised this trip?
So I think it's going to be a wet run home. It might be busy as well, traffic wise, which isn't the best.